water in your motherfucking face. That's right, goddammit. When it's time to do it, when it's time to go, when it's time to hit the accelerator, do it all the fucking way. Dive in head fucking first. If you're gonna make a mistake, do it full fucking bore. If you're gonna do anything, dive in head first. The worst thing that's gonna happen is you're gonna have to fucking get up and try again. Is that fucking big of a deal? Is that truly that fucking scary? There is no problem with trying again. There is no issue with standing up, dusting yourself off and saying, fucking A, here we go, baby. Because that is what this fucking shit is all about. John Andersen with a little more.